Hey there, folks. If you're a Discover cardholder looking to make a payment at your local bank branch, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the process step by step, so you can handle it with ease and confidence. Whether you're avoiding online payments or just prefer the personal touch, this method is straightforward and reliable. Let's dive in. First off, not every bank branch accepts payments for Discover cards, so start by double-checking. Give your bank a quick call or check their website to confirm they can process it. This saves you time and frustration. Trust me, it's worth the extra minute. Once you're good to go, gather your essentials. You'll need your Discover card, the most recent statement, which has your account number and the payment amount ready. Decide how you'll pay: cash, a personal check, or even a debit card transfer. Don't forget your ID. Banks often require it for security. Next, head to your bank branch during their operating hours. If you're unsure about hours, look it up beforehand to avoid any last-minute rushes. When you arrive, go straight to the teller counter. Be polite and clear. Say something like, "I'd like to make a payment on my Discover credit card." The teller will ask for your account details, so hand over that statement or card. They'll verify the information and process the payment. This is your cue to double-check the amount. Mistakes can happen, so stay alert. Once everything looks good, they'll complete the transaction. Finally, always ask for a receipt. It's your proof that the payment went through, which is super helpful if there's any future discrepancy. And hey, keep in mind that some banks might charge a fee for this service, so ask about that upfront to avoid surprises. There you have it. That's how you pay your Discover card at a bank branch. It's simple, secure, and gives you peace of mind. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Thanks for watching, and take care.